Are there side effects to shockwave therapy? No, there are no known side effects to a shockwave. At most, people report some very mild pain, perhaps very mild bruising, or very mild numbness around the skin of the area treated. And those symptoms usually last for about 24 hours. So within 24 hours, you can get back to your normal life activities without any restrictions. While the shockwave therapy is known to produce a very long-lasting effect. It rebuilds blood vessels, it restores the walls, the integrity of the blood vessels. It can also produce new blood vessels through the process of neovascularization and restoring the blood supply to the penis to sustain a very healthy, long and strong erection. With that in mind, we need to understand that there are certain processes that brought these problems in the first place. And those processes need to be also treated and get under control. So some changes in your lifestyle may be required if you want those effects to last a long time. For some people, it's getting the sugar under control because diabetes is very often a leading cause of the erectile dysfunction. For others, get the blood lipid levels under control, lose some weight, do some exercises. So those changes are necessary to sustain a long-lasting effect and reduce the factors that cause the damage to the blood vessels in the first place.